Did you know that over 80% of engine failures happen not because the engine was badly built, but because drivers ignored simple daily habits? Most cars today are capable of lasting well over 300,000 miles, and some can even cross the 500,000-mile mark without needing a major engine rebuild. What is the difference? It is not luck, and it is not some secret expensive upgrade. The truth is that a few simple daily habits can be the difference between your car dying early or lasting for decades. Most people destroy their cars without even realizing it. They ignore strange noises, skip fluid checks, drive aggressively, and wait until a tiny problem turns into a massive repair bill. That's why I bring this video for you. In this video, I explain the habits that you should do daily to make your car last over 500,000 miles. Let's begin with one of the most overlooked habits. Habit number 1. The pre-flight visual integrity scan. Adopting a pre-flight mindset by performing a 360-degree walk-around of your vehicle every morning is the most effective way to catch a $20 repair before it evolves into a $4,000 engine replacement. During this scan, your primary focus should be the ground beneath the vehicle to identify early signs of fluid hemorrhaging, such as the bright green or orange of engine coolant or the dark amber of synthetic oil. Catching a pinhole leak in a radiator hose can prevent an overheating event that would otherwise warp a cylinder head or blow a head gasket. Additionally, a quick visual check of tire sidewall bulging is essential, as data shows that driving on a tire just 5 psi underinflated can increase rolling resistance and heat buildup, leading to a 15% reduction in tire tread life and unnecessary strain on the drivetrain. This daily vigilance creates a feedback loop that allows you to address mechanical fatigue in real time, rather than waiting for a dashboard warning light to signal a total system failure. Habit number 2. The 60-second Dipstick diagnostic rule. Your engine oil is the single most important fluid in your car because it keeps all the moving metal parts lubricated. Without enough oil, parts like pistons, crankshafts, and bearings begin grinding against each other, and that damage can happen shockingly fast. According to industry data, nearly 25% of all vehicles on the road are operating with critically low or contaminated oil levels. By making it a daily habit to pull the dipstick every morning before the first start, you are ensuring that the oil pump has an immediate reservoir of fluid to establish hydrodynamic lubrication within milliseconds of ignition. This 60-second check allows you to observe the oil's viscosity and color, because a milky color oil can signal a catastrophic head gasket failure, while a strong smell of gasoline indicates fuel dilution that can strip away the protective film on cylinder walls. Considering that a quart of high-quality synthetic oil costs less than $10, while a full engine replacement can exceed $7,000, and this daily verification is the most cost-effective insurance policy for a 500,000 miles engine. Habit number 3. The cold start lubrication protocol. The most critical moment for any internal combustion engine is the first 60 seconds after ignition, as research indicates that roughly 70 to 80% of total engine wear occurs during this initial cold start phase. When a vehicle sits overnight, the engine oil drains into the oil pan, leaving vital components like the camshafts, piston rings, and cylinder walls with only a microscopic film of protection. By allowing your engine to idle for at least 45 to 60 seconds before engaging the transmission, you ensure that the oil pump has sufficient time to achieve full operating pressure and circulate lubricant to the topmost components of the cylinder head. This habit is particularly vital for modern turbocharged engines, where the turbocharger can spin at over 100,000 revolutions per minute. Starting under-lubricated can cause immediate scoring of the high-speed bearings. Foregoing this wait period and immediately placing the engine under load forces the metal components to rub against one another with insufficient hydraulic separation, leading to premature compression loss and internal friction that makes a 500,000-mile lifespan impossible. Habit number 4. The daily dashboard status scan. Before you even shift into gear, you should perform a systematic scan of the instrument cluster to ensure all self-test lights extinguish properly and that the gauges are reporting nominal values. This habit focuses on the early warning systems that manufacturers build into the engine control unit to monitor thousands of data points every second. If a check engine light flickers or stays on, it is often reporting a pending code for something as simple as an oxygen sensor or a loose gas cap. However, ignoring a flashing check engine light can lead to catalytic converter melting in under 10 miles of driving. By acknowledging these digital handshakes between the car's computer and the driver every single morning, you stay ahead of the curve, ensuring that small electronic hiccups don't snowball into terminal mechanical failures. Habit number 5, the radio off rule. Modern vehicles are masterpieces of acoustic engineering, designed to isolate the cabin from the harsh mechanical realities of the road. But this isolation often masks the early warning signs of mechanical distress. To reach the 500,000-mile mark, you must spend the first 2 minutes of every drive with the audio system turned completely off to perform an auditory diagnostic of the powertrain. Listen specifically for noise, vibration, and harshness, such as the high-pitched squeal of a glazing serpentine belt or the rhythmic clicking of a failing CV axle. By training your ear to recognize the healthy sewing machine hum of your engine, you become an expert in its unique mechanical signature, allowing you to identify a 1% deviation in performance before it results in a breakdown. Habit number 6, drive smoothly instead of aggressively. The way you interact with your vehicle's control surfaces during the first 5 miles of operation dictates the long-term structural integrity of your gaskets, seals, and transmission clutches. Hard acceleration, sudden braking, and sharp turns put extra stress on the engine, transmission, brakes, tires, and suspension. Studies have shown that aggressive driving can reduce fuel economy by up to 30% on the highway and as much as 40% in city traffic. It also causes brake pads to wear out much faster, sometimes cutting their lifespan in half. A driver who constantly slams on the brakes may need new brake pads every 20,000 miles, while a smoother driver may get 50,000 miles or more out of the same set. If you want your car to reach 500,000 miles, driving calmly is one of the most important habits you can build. Habit number 7, undercarriage oxidation and contaminant control. While many drivers prioritize the aesthetic shine of their car's paint, the true battle for 500,000 miles is fought underneath the chassis, where road salt, grime, and industrial chemicals accelerate the process of oxidation. Rust is the silent killer of high-mileage vehicles, often rotting out brake lines, fuel rails, and structural frame members long before the engine actually fails. A daily habit of rinsing the wheel wells and the undercarriage, especially during winter months or in coastal environments, acts as a chemical neutralizer against the corrosive effects of sodium chloride and magnesium chloride used on roads. Even a brief 2-minute rinse prevents these salts from becoming trapped in the crevices of the suspension geometry, where they can eat through metal at an alarming rate. Maintaining the structural integrity of the frame is just as important as maintaining the engine, because a car with a 500,000-mile powertrain is worthless if the chassis is too brittle to pass a safety inspection, making corrosion management a non-negotiable daily pillar of vehicle longevity. Habit number 9, check your coolant reservoir every morning. Your engine can survive low fuel for a while, but it cannot survive overheating for very long. Modern engines run extremely hot, and even one major overheating event can destroy the head gasket, warp the cylinder head, or crack the engine block. That is why checking your coolant reservoir every day is one of the smartest habits you can build. If the coolant level suddenly starts dropping, it could mean there is a leak in a hose, radiator, water pump, or even inside the engine itself. And replacing a small coolant hose may cost less than $50, but replacing a blown head gasket can easily cost between $1,500 and $3,500. Many engines that fail before 200,000 miles do so because of repeated overheating. Spending 10 seconds checking your coolant level can literally save your engine from early death. Habit number 11. Keep the fuel tank above 1/4 full. Many drivers constantly wait until the fuel warning light comes on before filling up, but that can actually shorten the life of the fuel pump. In most modern cars, the fuel pump sits inside the fuel tank and relies on gasoline to stay cool. When the fuel level gets too low, the pump can overheat and wear out much faster. Replacing a fuel pump can cost anywhere from $400 to $1,000 depending on the vehicle. Running the tank too low also increases the chance of sucking dirt and sediment from the bottom of the tank into the fuel system. That dirt can clog fuel injectors and fuel filters, leading to rough performance and expensive repairs. Keeping your fuel tank above 1/4 full is one of those simple habits that protects the entire fuel system. Habit number 12. Keep the windshield clean and wipers ready. A clean windshield is not just about looks, it is a safety feature. Poor visibility increases the chance of accidents, especially at night or during bad weather. Dirt, bugs, and water spots can create glare from headlights and make it harder to see the road clearly. Worn wiper blades can leave streaks and make rain even more dangerous. Replacing wiper blades is usually cheap, often less than $30. Windshield washer fluid is also important. A daily check of your windshield and wipers helps keep you safe and protects your car from avoidable accidents. Habit number 13. Daily tire pressure calibration. Maintaining optimal tire pressure is the foundational habit for preserving your vehicle's suspension geometry and maximizing its total drivetrain efficiency. Statistical data from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration indicates that tires underinflated by just 5 to 10 psi can suffer a 15% reduction in tread life. Beyond the rubber itself, low tire pressure significantly increases rolling resistance, forcing the engine and transmission to work harder to maintain cruising speeds, which can decrease fuel economy by approximately 0.3% for every 1 psi drop in all 4 tires. By performing a daily visual bulge check and a weekly gauge verification to ensure your tires are at the manufacturer's recommended cold PSI, you protect the vehicle's structural foundation and ensure the chassis remains stable and vibration-free for the duration of its 500,000-mile journey. The bottom line is, if you do these habits every day, your car has a much better chance of lasting over 500,000 miles. A car that lasts 500,000 miles is not a miracle. It is the result of smart habits repeated every single day. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tips and tricks.